Sitting on the egg yolk colored Vespa Sprint, I'd be lying if I didn't say I felt like a spring chick. It is tiny, agile and fast even with a broiler-sized journo on board. Please join me in welcoming the new Vespa one fine spring day in Rome. Twist and go, it's yellow, it's comfortable and I'm in Rome. It doesn't get much better, and as we head off I place myself at the front like the rooster in a hen house. Cock-a-doodle-doo the Sprint says, and I'm where I like to be, in heavy be fast or be dead Rome traffic. 2014 Vespa Sprint 125 action right. The 31.1 in high seat is comfortable, black with white piping, and I've got ample leg space. Under the seat is more space than ever on a Vespa, its storage compartment boasting a massive 16.6 liters of capacity. The extra space has been enabled and the CG lowered by moving the battery from underneath the helmet compartment to beneath the floorboards. Vespa unveils the reborn Sprint. The 2.1 gallon fuel tank will take you a long way in the city, as the claimed fuel consumption figures stipulate 150 miles per gallon at a realistic average speed for city use of 31 miles per hour, 50 kilometers per hour. That means 315 miles between fill-ups for the gentle of wrist. Your hooligan mileage may vary,